Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today is going to be lesson 4 of the affiliate marketing course. So in our previous lesson, we went over our affiliate marketing tutorial. It's a step-by-step tutorial for beginners when you're just getting started. So how to basically pick out a niche, start your website, and then start really building content so you can build your audience. So once you start to build an audience, the main thing with affiliate marketing is you want to get traffic to a website and then you want to monetize that traffic. So in this video, I'm going to go over affiliate marketing networks. So I'm going to show 10 different affiliate marketing networks and then a couple different links that you can go to find even more affiliate marketing networks. You don't need to join every single one. What you really want to do is just look through each of the affiliate marketing networks. So we're going to start with Amazon Associates here. So with Amazon Associates, you get to actually promote the products on Amazon.com. Pretty much every product is part of the Amazon Associates program. So they have here earn up to 10% advertising fees. So basically, you drive people to Amazon, they buy something from Amazon, and you get a commission for every sale that you drive. So Amazon Associates is probably the largest affiliate marketing network. They have it's pretty easy to get started with it. You just really need to have a little bit of traffic and a website. And once you kind of sign up for Amazon Associates, you can quickly and easily add links to your website. There's a lot of plugins and different things you can use, especially if you're using WordPress. So we use WooCommerce, and then there's a plugin where you can actually import Amazon products directly to your website. We're going to do a follow-up tutorial about exactly how to do that, but Amazon Associates is going to be number 1 here. So number 2 is going to be ShareASale.com. So this is part of AWIN, so we're going to go through AWIN a little bit later. But with ShareASale.com, basically you sign in as an affiliate. Anytime you go to an affiliate marketing network website, they're usually going to have 2 separate logins. One's either going to be called a publisher login, and one's going to be called an affiliate login. Right here, they call it a merchant login. So basically, you're an affiliate, you're trying to promote products. The other people are merchants or publishers. They have products for sale, and they're looking for affiliates to promote their products. With ShareASale, what you do is you sign up to ShareASale.com, and then you apply to each different merchant individually. So I'm on ShareASale.com and I work with a few different merchants, and what you do is you just apply to join the merchants, and usually they look at your application, and within a couple days you'll be able to either be approved or declined by each individual merchant. So ShareASale.com number 2. And the main thing with all these affiliate marketing networks, I'm not going to go through each detail with different merchants and how hard it is to get approved for each affiliate marketing network, but basically just look at some of the different merchants if you can, see who you can advertise their products so you can find the right products for your business. The other thing, you're going to see some of these affiliate marketing networks come up if you're doing like a Google search, for example, and you're saying, okay, well, I'm a fashion merchant, so I'm going to try to find some different merchants in the fashion industry. You might find some of these different affiliate marketing networks, and the way it works is you join the affiliate marketing networks, and the network is used to bring affiliates and merchants together. So number 3 is going to be CJ Affiliate. So it used to be called Commission Junction. It's just CJ.com. And if you come here, you can see under advertisers and publishers, they have some huge brands here. So CJ Affiliate, in my experience, is one of the more difficult ones to get accepted to. You can see here client success stories. You can see some of the large brands they're already working with. So very trusted affiliate marketing network, CJ.com, also called CJ Affiliate. So number 4 is going to be Rakuten Marketing. So it was formerly Linkshare, and then it became Rakuten Linkshare. It's still kind of considered that, but it's called Rakuten Marketing. So if you go to rakutenmarketing.com/affiliate, you'll be able to see the affiliate marketing program. You can join right through there. They actually were voted the #1 affiliate marketing network. It says for 8 consecutive years and I'll show you that list a little bit later in the video. But Rakuten Marketing, another big affiliate marketing network that you can join. Next is the eBay Partner Network. So kind of similar to Amazon. If you join the eBay Partner Network, you can promote the products on eBay. So basically you drive traffic to eBay, you drive sales to eBay, and you're going to get a cut of every sale you drive. The same thing with Amazon. So it's another great affiliate marketing network. It's called the eBay Partner Network. If you go to partnernetwork.ebay.com, you'll be able to sign up. And they have a bunch of different articles here so you can learn a little bit more about getting started. So eBay Partner Network, that's going to be number 5. So number 6 is going to be AWIN. So AWIN is actually, so ShareASale is actually a part of AWIN. AWIN has over almost 30,000 advertisers, over 200,000 publishers. So you would be considered a publisher if you join AWIN. One of their big advertisers I know is Etsy. We actually tried to apply for Etsy with our website beachfrontdecor.com, but unfortunately we got declined by Etsy. So basically with AWIN, you just sign up as a publisher, and you can apply to different advertisers, similar to ShareASale. So since they're owned the same way, it's all the same. And with AWin, you just basically promote different products from different advertisers, and then as you drive sales, you're going to get a cut of each individual sale. So awin.com, another one that you can try. So Clickbank's been around for a really long time, and with Clickbank, they kind of have more internet type products. So you're going to see down here they have something for languages, they have something for singing, surf strength coach, so for surfing. They have, it looks like just some type of workout program, Longtail Pro, so a keyword research software. So they kind of have more internet type products. So for example, with Surfside PPC, I can come to Longtail Pro and I can promote that for Surfside PPC and just say, hey, this is a product that I use. So Clickbank.com, I used to use Clickbank a lot, and it's pretty easy to get started. You basically just sign up. You can promote products pretty easily. So Clickbank is really good for beginners when you're getting started with affiliate marketing because there's not a ton of hoops to jump through. It's pretty easy to get started with Clickbank. They want more affiliates. They're not really too, some of the other ones are a little bit more selective. With Clickbank, it's pretty easy to get accepted into it and promote the products you want to. So clickbank.com, another huge affiliate marketing network that I highly recommend checking out. So the last three here are going to be flexoffers.com, peerfly.com, and pepperjam.com. If you go there, you can see some of the different advertisers that they're working with. So you can get started pretty easily with these three different networks. But pepperjam.com, peerfly.com, and flexoffers.com, it's a huge affiliate marketing networks. You can see here 12,000 plus affiliate programs. If you come into Flex Offers and just go to affiliate programs, you can see they have things for pretty much every category you can think of. So regardless of what your website's about, if you have an automotive website, different things like that, I highly recommend just checking out all these different affiliate marketing networks. And there's a couple different things I want to go through real quick before I finish the video off. So first thing is on Beachfront Decor, along with running affiliate marketing products from Amazon, from Wayfair, and from a couple different other websites, we also run Google Adsense on our website. So you can always test the different ads that are running on your website. So we just signed up for google.com/AdSense. You do need a website. You do need a little bit of traffic to your website. You need some pages. You can't just build a one-page website and apply. Google's just looking for pages that are growing, and you can easily add your ads to your website. So what I highly recommend doing with affiliate marketing networks along with Google AdSense is testing and seeing what earns you the most. So maybe you spend a week with Google AdSense ads on your website, you spend a week with affiliate marketing network ads on your website, maybe from one of these top affiliates that we just went over, and you see what drives more revenue for you. You can also do monthly. It depends on how much traffic you're getting. So the more traffic you're getting, the easier it is to run a test. But let's just say, for example, you say, okay, we're going to take the next 10,000 sessions and we're going to run Google ads on it. And then after that, we're going to take the 10,000 sessions after that and we're going to run affiliate marketing ads on it. And we're going to see what drives the most revenue for our business. So that's really just a best practice. Now, the other thing I'd highly recommend going to is, so this is best CPS affiliate networks, cost per sale affiliate networks. Basically, when you're driving sales, you're getting money back. It's just considered CPS, cost per sale. So you can see there's a bunch of the ones that we just went over. There's other ones on here as well, Avantgate. I haven't used all of these, but if you want, you can go to all the different websites here. They have a little bit more information about these different affiliate marketing networks. Just do a lot of research as you're kind of getting into affiliate marketing because you want to make sure you're promoting the right offers. But all of these different affiliate marketing networks I highly recommend using. They're going to pay you on time. You're not going to have to worry about driving clicks and them kind of messing with data or anything like that. They're all really highly reputable and they have great reviews. They have tons of affiliates, tons of great publishers, tons of great advertisers. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. This is lesson 4 of our affiliate marketing course. So a pretty basic video, but I kind of just want to get into how to kind of promote products, where you go to find different products, and you can easily sign up for all of these and kind of browse and see what different advertisers you can use. So who are some of the different merchants on these websites? So then as you're an affiliate, you can easily get started with some of the different merchants. So with ShareASale, I've tested different merchants here, especially in home and garden, and some of them work for me, some of them don't work as well. Wayfair has always worked very well for me. Amazon, I would say, has a really high conversion rate because so many people are familiar with Amazon and using Amazon. If you're promoting some of these different Clickbank offers, the main thing to keep in mind is that you're going to have to drive a lot of clicks to really get some sales, especially depending on the products that you're promoting, unless it's highly related. Now, if you have a website about singing or learning a language and you can use some of these different products here like that, maybe you have a paleo website, So those tend to perform a lot better. If you just have a recipe website and you're trying to promote something paleo, it's not going to work as well. So just make sure you try to find the best products, and using these affiliate marketing networks will really help you. So if you have any questions, again, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video today, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.